Hello, that's me.
That's me. What's your name?
Israel.
Israel. Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
How are you today?
How are you today?
Say, my mommy shaved her head.
Mama shaved her head.
All right, hop down.
Mommy.
Yes,
Who put that phone over there?
I did.
You.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Thanks so much for tuning in to my channel,
My channel,
Candacereesetv.
my Candacereesetv.
Well, today on my channel, I wanted to show everyone.
If you get picture right here, let me move your phone.
I don't need you to do that. I got this. Here, hop down.
Mommy.
Yes.
That's
All right.
mine.
Anyways, so
That's
I wanted
mine.
to.
That's
Yes,
mine.
that's yours. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Thanks for being patient with my little one. Today I wanted to share my big news. Last night, well really this morning at like midnight, I shaved my head. And I love it. I'm probably...
I want to cook it for you.
Okay, cook for mommy.
Okay.
So I'm probably going to try to go a little lighter on the blonde, but I can only do one process today because my scalp was pretty sensitive from the clippers, from cutting it down. I didn't want it to like burn or get any kind of chemical burns or irritated since I'm already red and light skinned. But yeah, I shaved my head. I didn't tell anyone except for my husband. I think I might have mentioned it to a friend, and I don't know if anyone thought that I would actually do it, but I was literally in my bathroom with my liners or clippers in my hand, and I like trimmed off a little bit of the top, just trying to go a little bit shorter, maybe trying to like work my way down, baby steps. And I was just like, you know what? I'm all in. And I told my husband, I was like, I'm gonna cut my hair. And his response was, okay, the clippers are under the sink. I was like, okay, you know, thank you for my dinner. Watermelon.
Eat it.
Okay. Okay.
Eat it again.
Yummy.
I want to eat it.
So, thank you. So, his response was, the clippers, they're under the cabinet. So to me, that let me know he was kind of okay with it. I'm sure he was nervous because I was nervous, because I'm not a barber. I'm a cosmetologist. But I figured I would work my way down to what I was comfortable with. And I used my clippers with 3/4 inch guard, I think. And then I was real nervous about the top because my hair is extra thick and I didn't want any kind of patches or like swirls just from me messing it up, because I had every intention on going to the barber shop, you know, so they could kind of clean it up, because I knew I couldn't do everything. But my problem was I waited until Friday night, Saturday to shave my head. So all barbershops are like crazy busy on Saturday morning, and thank you. And nobody really is going to have time, you know, just for what I needed done. And I didn't want to have to sit in there for an hour or two just to kind of get the rest of it cleaned up. But I ended up going to Great Clips. They opened at 9. It was like 9:02. I pulled in the parking lot. They were in there. They were available. So they helped me. The girl, she helped me. She kind of cleaned it up. Her name is Whitney, and you'll see her in the video. But try not to make this video really long. but it probably will be anyway. Whatever. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the video. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys later. So literally, I just started in my bathroom, kind of trying to take a little hair off the back, and I ended up taking way more than I wanted to, and it wasn't even. So my plan was to just kind of do a little bit, leave it a little short, but I still was planning on keeping a lot of my hair up top. And the more and more I cut, the more I got comfortable with taking more and more hair off. It was crazy, you guys. Like, I just was, man, I was just cutting away. Now that top part, I did not want to touch. I was way nervous, and as soon as I really got in there close to my scalp, there was no turning back. And I never even considered like who was gonna touch my hair up in the morning or tomorrow, what it was gonna look like. Was I gonna... Alright, yeah, it just got real. Y'all, I had sweat coming from under my arms. I laughed. I didn't cry. I was really like in shock, for real. My heart was beating fast. I took my deep breath and I was good after that, you know. Still not really knowing what the world I was gonna do to this hair, because I'm not a barber, I'm a cosmetologist. I don't really know a lot about cutting low cuts at the top of my hair with clippers. So when I woke up, I had to go to work for a little while, but I knew I wanted to lighten my hair, but I was unsure if I wanted to lighten it first or get it cut. I ended up getting it cut first by this young lady named Whitney. This is only my second time meeting her, and it just so happens I walked into Great Clips and she worked there. So I felt a little more comfortable because it was someone that I was familiar with. She probably was nervous because, I mean, the first time she saw me, I had hair. And we kind of just talked over what I wanted. I wanted my around my ears to be pointed, like on my sideburns, and I wanted the back round. And everything else, I just was like, whatever you have to do, just do it. And the top part, make sure you leave a little hair up there. Yeah, this whole time, you guys, I still was wondering, did I make the right decision? Like, what am I gonna do? Where is my hair? But I still never felt any regrets. I just was, of course, nervous and in shock, but I was really excited, like on the inside, like just excited for everything that I was about to, you know, plan to do to my hair with the designs and with color, and just not really having to deal with my hair and being able to work out and not worry about sweating it out. So ultimately, like, I was totally okay, just really anxious. So I ended up getting to work early enough before my client, and I was able to lighten it and tone it a little bit. I still want to go back over it one more time just to go for the more white look, but I wanted to wait until maybe the day after tomorrow because my scalp is pretty sensitive and irritated from me cutting my hair, from Whitney cutting my hair, and then of course from the bleach. So I will be keeping you guys updated. Like I said, I love my hair. I'm totally satisfied with my decision. Like this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Mwah.